guys to my channel, it's Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Sakamoto Days. It's a new anime that is starting from this week. Actually, it's episode 1 just dropped on Netflix, so I can't wait to get to it. Yeah, it's a new anime. I don't have anything specific to talk about. This is episode 1, so I'm excited for it. This is going to be a new series that I'm going to start reacting to, at least for coming. I don't know, maybe this series is going to have 24 episodes. That's what I heard. 12 episodes or 24 episodes. If it's 12 episodes, the next 2 months maybe. Not next 2 months actually. Next 2.5 months. And if it is not, we're going to stick with it for a long time. So yeah, I'm excited. I heard good things about it, like about the manga, and I heard some passionate things about it. But I truly don't know anything about the story. The only thing that I do know is it's about some kind of assassin or something. I don't know the characters. I just saw some pictures of a guy wearing goggles and he has some little fat face or something. I didn't even watch the trailer or anything. From just the talks, from just the word of mouth, I decided to just pick this up to react. So I hope you guys enjoy this reaction. I hope you guys like me reacting to this series basically. Hopefully I made a right choice. But yeah, I don't know anything about this series. So without wasting much time, let's find out. Wow. Whoa. The animation is crisp. This is the guy I saw, I think so. The glasses, I recognize them. Wow. It started dramatic. Do this anime has powers? Like is it fantastical or just grounded? I don't know. He looks slim enough. Maybe this was when he was young. Oh. Wow, okay, so he's definitely superhuman then. Ruthless. Ah, shit. He was good at his job then. Wow. Ah, man, they are not pulling the punches. At least he is not. He's dodging bullets. Okay, this is definitely fantasy then. Nice. That was cool. The music too, man. It is similar to My Hero Academia music. It's so motivational. But he's killing people here. Okay, wow, okay. Yeah, he was an hitman then. Yeah. Sakamoto? So he's the main character, huh? This seems a little bit familiar to One Piece narration and everything. Like Pirate King. What? Oh, wow. This. So this is a comedy anime. Wow, that was fast. Things changed quickly there, man. What? It escalated so quickly. So it is similar to that Mafia Husband, ex-Mafia Husband, that anime, if you know what I mean. So he's an aspiring hitman, huh? He looks so funny, man, with the fat face and everything. Oh no. Oh no, blacking. But is he still in shape to fight? Oh. No, man, this is too much, yeah. Understandably, he's angry. Wow, okay, he's still fast. I thought because of being out of shape. Oh, what? No, this is imagination, yeah. What? Clairvoyant, oh wow. So they do have powers then. Not only superhuman. Oh no. Wow, he can really see it. Wow, they were partners. Hmm. This is new. I thought he was just some kind of fan. But how many years has it been? Hmm? Wow, they are not even trying to animate his mouth. Hmm. Wow. He really let go of himself. Oh, wow, no cigarettes? What was that for? No cigarettes? Hmm. Yeah. He's still fast.
そこ悪いけどちょっとお願いがあってさ
Hmm?
わざわざ坂本さんに私の依頼
あの木のさた
Wow.
いい感じ
So the fatness is just for appearance then, huh?
娘が野菜食べなくて
So he became an Iron Man then. Love can change everybody, man. Or is there some ulterior motive? Like how long is this going to go?
何もやってるんですか
Handyman.
なるほど、
うん
正体を隠してうまく込んでいるようですね
I don't think so that's the case.
坂本さん僕から見
Wow, he is built too? I'm just... I don't know why I did not see it before.
また来ます
5 years. Okay, so it's been 5 years.
でもやっぱ太
He's such a diehard
違う
fan.
ぜもう一回一緒だね
Wow. I know what they thought.
説得できたのか
Okay, wow, okay, so... okay, so there is a boss then. Of course, if he was Hitman, then that makes sense.
ボスなんすか
Will it be going to be similar to John Wick or something? Him coming out of retirement or something?
無理だろ
Ah,
坂本はルールを破った
yeah.
だから生かしとけね
Maybe this is some kind of parody of John Wick. I don't know.
えやんなくてもか
So he will leave his boss and join with the hit Sakamoto, huh? And they are going to fend off the attackers or something? I don't think so. This anime is going to be that dark of killing the wife and the kid. Like John Wick. That's what's going to be different. Maybe? I don't know. This seems like a comedy anime. It's been fun till now. Yeah. Man, he was really slim, man. And he was tall too. I don't know, maybe the fatness is not making me see the same tallness or
誰
something.
かがやる
Hmm. But do you really think someone can kill him?
いっそ
Man. The guns here are so shiny.
俺が
Like they are over animating the gun, man. See the barrel. It's so deep. Why is this kid hanging around here so much? Whose kid is he? Come on, at least try to play a part. Where is this story going?
どうも坂本さん実は
My guess is
この町を離れることになりそうだ重い
wow. Is this for real? This is too over the top, man. What? But that was cool, the whole sequence. Wild. Okay, so now I understand what this anime is going to be like. Oh, he doesn't want to kill him.
ひとまず体勢を
His ex-partner. Oh, that was cool. The impact and everything. Yeah. Yeah, okay. They are same height. Now I see the height. Wow, see.
こう
He's built.
商店の2階よメガ盛り
普通で
Regular one, I guess.
いただきま
まさか毒が死ぬほ
Wow. It is too tasty, huh? Is that it? Yeah, thought so.
なんだこれ
Wow.
までの仕事では味わったことのない
So was he raised as a hitman since the childhood? I don't understand.
坂本さんが
Is it?
なんてこと
Wow, that was fast. I thought it would take a little more episodes to realize this. What's his name? I forgot. The blonde. Nice.
やっぱかなわねえな坂本さんには
Retired. Honey shirt.
シン
Maybe he's going to kill everyone here?
結局てめえじゃさ
ボス
Wow, okay. He's still calling him
言い訳なら
boss.
聞く気はねえぞ
坂本います坂本さんは見逃してください
Wow, that's a resolve.
なぜそこまでする
A strong resolve.
憧れの人に
いいだろう
Hmm?
てめえが死んだら捨てやるよ
Come on.
くだらねえなわけねえだろだと死ね
丸聞こえだぜ
Oh, yeah, he's a clairvoyant. I forgot, man.
だけどさ
Yeah, man, I'm the right audience for this. I forgot it so quickly that he was clairvoyant and his power was reading thoughts. He was listening. What? Of course. Of course. I should have guessed this one too. Wild, man. I'm such a dumb guy. I play into all the narratives so perfectly, man. I forgot so many things. Nice. Bullets. Guns. On for a rescue then. Nice. He's skilled enough. Of course, he was a partner of Sakamoto. It makes sense. He was skillful. Wow.
え奴は S
Yeah, he is clairvoyant. Yeah.
すぎると心を読まれる
Of course.
遠向きに回り込め
Okay, now I realize. Like in the store when he was fighting Sakamoto, when Sakamoto was about to throw candies, he read his mind, and that's why he moved to the side. I thought was why did he suddenly move when he didn't know what Sakamoto was doing? That makes sense. Well, Sakamoto is coming.
ここまでか
I'm not afraid about him. But my question is about his powers. Like, so can he hear all the thoughts all the time of people around him? What is the radius and what is the capacity? Like, isn't that too much for him? Maybe he trained himself to block out some thoughts or something. I don't know. Wow, chopsticks. I heard we are going to have a John Wick anime. I don't know if it is going to be John Wick anime or TV series, live action TV series or something. But it is going to contain, yeah, the pencil assassination. The scene in which he killed a man with a bare pencil. So yeah, this reminds me of that. So cool. So yeah, this is going to be action comedy then. This series. Cool. Oh, that's painful. The choreography, man. Very cool. Huh? Wow, the actual weapons. He's using. Oh, that was sharp. The knife. Why even try this? You know how powerful he was. I don't understand. Why are they so dumb then?
電子や本当さ
He's still bleeding, man. Patch himself, yeah. Patch yourself, man. Huh? Oh, wow. Okay, so that's why he sent
こ
him.
のうちに
Hmm.
油断も本当さ俺お
Hmm?
エプロン
Nice. Wow, okay, so he's going to work for him.
残業って
So what? What else? I thought they are going to drag at least this assassins hunting them for
坂本さん
little more
最
episodes.
低ラーメン食うの
3 to 4
いい
episodes.
ですか
But what now?
このシャツ新
I'm excited, I'm interested.
もうラーメンの在庫もあんまり
Wow, he's eating all the stock.
シンくん似合ってるね
そうっすか
あら
Ah, nice. He's using his pop for that.
たのよ
And whenever he hears someone's thought, that bell rings. I'm just realizing that.
遊
Hmm.
ぼうぜ
終わったらな
Again, who is this kid?
それって楽しい
ああことよりはな
前は何の仕事
殺すまあ社会の
Hmm. Nice. Wow, we're ending it here. Well, guys, the episode ends there. It was a cool episode. It was definitely sweet little anime, action comedy anime, basically. It was cool. I definitely enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed the pacing, the animation, the action, of course, and the comedy, the little humor in between the action scenes and between the characters and everything. One thing I'm puzzled about is where are they going with this plot? Like what? Is this going to be an episodic thing? Like every episode something happens and they're going to solve this and yeah? Or is this going to have a coherent story throughout the season? I don't know. Like I actually don't know. As I said in the reaction itself, I thought they're going to drag this for another 3 episodes about the assassins coming after them and everything. But no, he dealt with that. So what else? What more can they explore in this story? I don't know, man. Like as I said, John Wick basically dragged the plot of assassins coming after John Wick, basically the legendary hitman, because he came out of retirement and everything. So I just thought, oh, maybe it can still happen. Maybe like he came out of retirement and killed some people, so maybe some other people can come after him. I don't know what else can happen. But if that is the case, it is similar to John Wick. If it is not the case, consider me surprised, consider me excited for what's going to happen. And yeah, it was fun. The characters were fun. The 3 characters that we got introduced to, Sakamoto, and I still I think so I have not heard, or I did not pay attention to it, but I still don't know the blonde guy's name, so I'm going to call him Blonde. Sakamoto, Blonde, and his wife and kids. I'm consider them as a character. I don't think so we will be seeing more of them. But yeah, hopefully nothing tragic will happen. I'm not going to let my guards down because I did the same thing in Dan Dan, the previous season's anime. I reacted to it, so if you are interested in that, please check it out. It is a very very fun anime. So just like this episode 1, the episode 1 of Dan Dan was very fun, very entertaining. I thought, okay, this is going to be some cute fun anime. No, it devastated me in few episodes because I let my guard down and I thought, of course they are not going to do that, of course they are not going to do this. So yeah, I'm keeping my guards up. I know it is a comedy, action comedy anime, at least that's what I gathered from it. But yeah, it was too fun. And even if it is tragic, I'm here for it. Hopefully it is going to be worth it, whatever the tragic things that happen. And yeah, they have already killed many people, so I don't think so they are going to hesitate from showing the killings. But yeah, nice, man. Nice little anime, nice little theme or idea. Retired hitman and him having a comedic face. It was a nice choice for by the author of not having the cool build up body, and instead of that he gave our main character a round face and round body and everything, but he still can move at the same speed and same power and everything. So that was nice. So like he's not Sakamoto is not written for the girls to admire or basically thirst over him, but he's a comedy character who can kill ruthlessly. So yeah, that's a little bit different from maybe ex-husband, ex-mafia husband, where he's still cool, still has his beard and everything, but yeah, he's an house husband, ex-mafia house husband. I don't know, I don't clearly know the title of the anime, but I think so you know what I'm talking about, which anime I'm talking about. But yeah, this was cool, this was fun. I can't wait to see where they're going to go from here, and that's what makes me excited for the next episode, and definitely going to continue to react to this anime. So if you're interested in that, please guys, please tune in. And if you like my reaction to this episode, Please guys, please like, share, subscribe and push the notification bell so that you get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode and thoughts on my reaction. And if you have any tips or suggestions for me, as I'm new to this, not new to this actually, I've been saying this for last 1 year. It's been 1 year, yeah, this December 25th. So yeah, hopefully this year is going to be as exciting, as fruitful as the previous year. Previous year I saw a lot of growth, 100 subscribers. I crossed 100 subscribers because of your support. So thank you guys who have always been here since the beginning of the journey, and welcome the new watchers and everything. And if you are new, please join the journey, join the club, subscribe, push the notification bell and help me out by interacting with this video and commenting down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So tell me your views on this anime, like your views on this episode. Hopefully no spoilers. Even manga readers are encouraged, but please don't spoil in the comment section. But yeah, you can tell me if I missed something, if some reading between the lines thing that I missed something, or some funny moment that I spoke over in this reaction and I missed it. Please tell me in the comment section. I would definitely like to gather those two so that they can help me in the coming episodes reaction too. So yeah, please comment down below, and if not, you can recommend me some other anime that I can react to. So please guys, please comment down below. And yeah, I am also not reacting but reviewing the Solo Leveling season 2's episodes. I already posted episode 1's review and reaction of season 1 whole in my channel in the catalog, so please check it out if you are interested in that. So I am going to review that Solo Leveling series and react to Sakamoto Days. So that's the plan. The reason I'm reviewing it is I already read the manhwa, so I don't see the point in reacting to it, but I can review it, I can talk about it as long as possible, as much as possible, and I like talking about it. So it's good. I'm trying that kind of thing, reviewing. I never tried it in the previous year, and that is something new. So if you are interested in that too, please check it out. Okay, I talked a lot, I spoke a lot. Now it's your chance to interact with me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.